you will upload a single unedited video. Start recording before the match, continue during the match with no pauses, and continue after the match to show the whole field. The type of camera you choose does not matter. If your team doesn't have walls to compete with, you can use black tape instead. Important note: the intention is for the robot to stay on the mat. The only place your robot can drive off the mat is into the home area. Make sure your field is completely set up. Your robot and all its equipment fits into one of the inspection areas. And show everything measures under 12 inches. Show your robot has a maximum of 4 motors. Show your innovation project if you have one. Choose your camera position. Here are some good examples of where one might stand when recording the match. Important note: check that your entire robot is in the launch area before you launch. Try to get a good camera angle from this position. The camera must show the whole field and home for the entire match. Do not move your camera and keep recording. When you are ready to begin your match, provide a verbal countdown and make sure to keep track of the time. Keep the camera rolling for the remainder of the match. When you stop the robot because it has completed all the actions, or because the match time is ended, please say the reason out loud for the camera. Examples: "We're all done now." "Okay, the match is over." Keep recording. Slowly pan on each mission and outcome. Make sure to focus on each mission where you believe you have earned points. Please narrate your successes and misses. Good luck, teams!